Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for One Day Saving. So let's take a look and see what we have for part 2. Well, as you can see, it's a Joy Sunday kit. Get it out of its bag. Get it out there. And it is called Rose Hut, and it was $6.09. But I just thought it was kind of cute. And, you know, simple, partial. I think it's cool. And it's got some half cross stitches in it. It's 29 by 32. So it's not very big. It does have some back stitching, but it looks like kind of straightforward back stitching. You know, do it around the leaves, do it around the house. Nothing too strenuous there. It's 118 by 139. And let's see here. Wow, okay. It has 47 colors. Unbelievable. And let's see, it has full stitch, half stitch, French knot, and back stitch. At first, when I looked at this, I thought it was one of those kits that showed both the, what do you call it, you know, both the different sets of numbers. It's not. So this will not match the canvas for symbols. And it's all on one page. So you have this part of the house. I think this would be cute to do. I really do. Lots of back stitching, but there is lots of half cross stitch in the background, like I said, like it looked like on the picture, and then the other edge is like right here, and that's it. So let's take a look at those colors. So there's a lot more stitching in this one. Of course, it's a little bit bigger. It does have 2 needles, and it does have, this is one of those that the red numbers are how many threads you have, DMC number, and then the number on the thread card. There are 2 thread cards here. Let me get it going. So, got a little, I guess this is your extra 310, or they just put 310. I'm looking, never saw that. At the end, it's number 37, so maybe it's just only used as back stitch. And we got some light pastels here. Yeah, this would be kind of cute to do. And then we have some bright, vivid colors. Very nice. Bright greens, yellow, reds, oranges. Kind of summer colors. But it doesn't, the picture doesn't come off like that. Let me look at that again. Well, I guess it is fairly bright, but it's not bright. So, yeah. And I guess you could do the back stitching as you went along. Yeah, who knows? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see when those days, you know, when I'm feeling really strong. And really want to do that. Let me wrap this up just so it doesn't get all tangled anymore. And let's take a look at the canvas. Oops, it goes the other way, Laura. Has the product numbers and the name of it. And it has the key that matches the canvas running around the edge. So these are your back stitches, your French knot, then these are your full coverage colors, full color coverage, you know what, cover thread, and then these are your half. So most of that is in the background. So yeah, I think it would be wise to do the house and then worry about the background later, maybe even do the flowers. And that way it'd eliminate looking at all of it. It just looks like, whoa, hello, looks like confetti. Not confetti, but you know, like a fireworks, if you will. Oh my goodness. But it doesn't look real confettied. Not at all. but it's just those, the symbol that they have for the half cross stitch is in the same square. You have 2 squares. Does that make sense? I hope you can see that. You can see the red really well. Maybe even the blue. Yeah, they're kind of hard to look at. I had that problem with something else. It was one of those bird pictures. I could not see it for nothing. So yeah, I would do all the rest of it and then worry about the not back stitching, the half cross stitches someplace else, but that's just me. Let's measure this. Really? You knew I had to hit that bell sooner or later, right? Alright, let's see how big it is. It is almost 34 centimeters, or 13 1/4. And 11 inches, or 20, little over 28 centimeters. Actual picture size is 8.5. 8.5, which would be 21 1/2 by 10 1/4, or 26, little over 26 centimeters. So it's not too big, it's just, wow. Yikes. We'll see how we feel about it at another time. Not today, because I got that today. Alright, and the last one that we got from them is a 50 by 50, and it was $9.05. So not too expensive at all. This one is an 11 count, not a 14 count. Pull it out of there. Look at those beautiful, beautiful lilacs. Aren't they gorgeous? Just absolutely love them. I love lilacs. I love the way they smell. I love the way they look. They're just gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And this does not have a product number down here. Sometimes I do. And it has a nice, fairly good size paper pattern. It has the product number, how big it is, up there. It doesn't say how many squares per square down here. And this only has 21 colors. It does have a little bit of confetti that I can see. It may look different, you know, when I get a hold of it. Like there's little blotches where these greens are. They must be the leaves. And a little bit here and there. And then it does have some large rivers of colors. This, I can't believe it only has 21 colors in it. So we'll have to see. I hope it's well defined. I'm not sure. Let's take a look in here. Oh, eyes itch today. And see what the colors look like. There aren't any extra skeins. Looks like they put all the thread on here. Isn't that a pretty purple? I don't think it's $5.50. Nope, we have $5.80, but not $5.50. We have some $9.39, no $8.23. We do have $3.371, which is a dark brown, and $3.865. So, beautiful colors though. Look at those magentas and the purples. Got a dark, dark blue. And there's the 3371, the dark brown. And this is 939 right here. Then you have a big wad of 3865 and another beautiful purple. Just gorgeous. Yep, I think this is going to be pretty. Let me roll that up. Let's take a look at the canvas, if I can figure out which way is which. It is not serged all the way around. Seems to be quite squared. It does have 2 needles right here on the edge. A nice, okay, get my thing all screwed up here. And nice big key. And The canvas is very well printed, very easy to see all the symbols. And, you know, it just looks like little rivers of color, and there is some confetti kind of sprinkled here and there, but it's not horribly like that. So that's a good thing, huh? Let's see if we can get this measured. I don't know why I turned it around. It's still square. Oh my goodness. Some days. So it is 50 centimeters that way. Let's take it this way. And it's 49 centimeters this way. Actual picture size is 39 centimeters, or a little over 15 1/4 by 40 centimeters, or 15 3/4. So a little bit bigger here and there. So it's not perfectly square. But yeah, I think it's beautiful. I just love lilacs. And you can't differentiate what everything is, but very pretty. So if you were looking for one that you wanted to do big areas, you know, while you're watching TV, this would be one. But they're not too big that you get bored. I get totally bored. If I'm doing something like a whole half, I can't handle it. It's like, nope, not doing that. But, you know, a great big area here, and then a little great big area there. So, very nice. Very well printed. Very nice. I do like that. So that is all that I got from One Day Saving. They have free shipping on orders over $50. If you spend over $50, you get 2 free gifts. And I do have a 5% off code in the description box below. They do diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They do custom in all 3. They have paper quilling, and they have some beaded cross stitch. They have tools and crafts for all 3 of the majors. And yeah, so, and if they have any specials going on, I will put that down in the description, because sometimes that changes, that they do or they don't, I don't know. So, thank you One Day Saving for sending me these beautiful kits this week and last. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.